4.2. 4.2, y'all. I'ma chill out. My fastest was 4.2. Y'all see that? 4.2, and it was spinning. That was all wheel spin. That was not me. I was not gripping. What's up, YouTube? I'm gonna try the 0 to 60 shit. I'm gonna have to wait though. I'm gonna have to come out from 0 miles an hour to test this theory if these 245s are actually dog shit. So it's in sport mode. My traction is reduced, as you guys can see, and we're gonna prove how you see. Hope I don't get no ticket, man. This car is fucking loud. About to turn in here, turn over here. So as you guys can see, I did it. Sport, the traction is reduced. I'm gonna have to turn on my timer to make sure it works, but the speed limit is 60 miles an hour. So that's 55 miles an hour out there. So police try to get me. Hey, I was doing a 0 through 55. The speed limit is 55 also. You know what I'm saying? So hey, I'm gonna do the timer as soon as I leave out. Hope they ain't got no fucking cops out here, man. Really hope they don't got nothing. Oh, it's a big ass car I can't even see. So I'm trying to get it, y'all. I'm trying to prove these 255s really fucking trash. Alright, you ready to come up? I don't know if they got no fucking cops out here, man. I'm fucking scared, I ain't lying. This proof is spin, gotta make sure you ain't got no dicks or no police out here. I'm gonna do it up at the light. I'm gonna stop at the next light. Make sure y'all subscribe though. I'm about to do my 0 to 60 with 245 stock tires on. Then I'm gonna smash it at the light and watch how this car spin, y'all. I'm telling you, just watch how it spins. No traction. The point of this video is not to have traction on. See everybody passing me up. I'm going slow for a reason. Make sure y'all subscribe. You know, I'm trying to let this light turn red. Turn red already, man, so I can mash it. Cause I don't want to do a 40 to 60. It's still green. I don't know how I'm gonna be able to do it. I'm gonna have to pull over and let them get in front of me. Alright, we about to do it though. As soon as they get out the way, we're gonna go for it. Hopefully I don't get no down ticket, man. I swear. Alright, let the Nissan go. Alright, y'all, hold on. Y'all see that? 5.1. And I see that thing was spinning. Focus. 5.1. That's my best 0 to 60. And I was spinning without even trying. This car is powerful, so I'm trying to test this theory before I put my 305s on the back. But you cannot test this theory with traction on. It has to be reduced. You know, you don't want the car because you lose power with traction on. So we're about to go back. We're gonna try it again. 5.1 is my fastest 0 to 60. That thing say 2.8 is my best. That's fucking cap. Alright, y'all. Alright. Oh shit. Oh shit, spinning. 4.2. 4.2, y'all. I'ma chill out. My fastest was 4.2. Y'all see that? 4.2, and it was spinning. That was all wheel spin. That was not me. I was not gripping. I was spinning them tires back there, as you guys can see. I don't know if they had no police or not, but I'm about to chill out. Hope y'all enjoyed this video. Like I said, with these 245s, it's dangerous. Y'all see me sliding this car, man. We're gonna try it again from the light. I'm gonna try to get a better 0 to 60 from my lunch without spinning. Without spinning, make sure they ain't got no police around. We'll try to get a better lunch. Hope nobody don't get on side of me, man. That time was way slower. That's because I actually went from a dig. But from a dead stop, you get a better 0 to 60. But the speed limit is no more 55. They be having cops, so I'm gonna chill out. Hope y'all enjoyed this video. Them 245s be slow, I'm telling you. When I got that 4.2, my last, how did I get a 2.8? I don't know what that is. My best was 4.2 seconds. And I was spinning and sliding. Can't do it no more because they got too many cops. So I'm about to go get me some McDonald's. But yeah, these 245s spin. If you at the track, even the track mode, it's like way worse. I don't want to ruin my MPG, but yeah. They got cops here. So I'm going to put in auto mode. Thank y'all for watching. Please subscribe. The 245s. I had the last time I had the 5. Well, I just ran a 5.8, but that wasn't from a dig. That was from a roll. With a little wheel spin. From the dead stop, my fastest was 4.2. Thank y'all for watching this video. I love all of you. You know what I'm saying? Let's see if them 305s really hook better than the 245s from my dig. Because if I feel like I could probably get a 4.1. You know what I'm saying? I feel like it is a driver too. Guns for Cars, you're right, it's a driver. As you can see, I could drive my car. As you can just witness, I got a 4.20 to 60 in my car. The fastest is a 4.1. So yeah, appreciate y'all for watching. Your boy out. Bye.